I've had several people ask me what capacitors I used in my JDM body ECU, so I'm actually going to pull this back apart and I'm going to give you a one-by-one rundown of which capacitors I used and where I got them from.
Seriously, I just had it.
My car was doing all sorts of goofy things. The windows were coming down intermittently, the seatbelt light was flashing, the door locks weren't functioning properly, and my turn signals were on the blink. Something to keep in mind, I have a JDM right-hand drive, and the body ECUs are different in these cars. They're located up underneath the dash on the driver's side, and in USDM cars they are in a different spot, and I believe they're a different ECU altogether. So that's just something that you want to keep in mind when doing this project. Here's the list of the capacitors that I replaced in my primary and secondary boards in my body ECU. Again, the best thing that you can do is look at your capacitors, write down exactly what they are so that you can order the right things and not order the wrong things. I ran into that problem because the capacitors, I believe, are different in a USDM body ECU. So just take it out, jot down the numbers on the board, go to digikey.com, that's where I got mine, and you'll be able to order the capacitors that you need, and you'll be all set. Just get them all replaced. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, give a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.